Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can send money to a PayPal account. So if you need to pay someone, you need to send money to their PayPal account. So in this video, I'll show you how that works. It's not that difficult, but I'll still show you step by step how you can do this. And yeah, let's just get started right now. So first of all, you want to sign into your PayPal account, and then you'll probably find a dashboard that looks like this, or you'll find the other version. Okay, so it pretty much works exactly the same. You should be able to find send money somewhere on this side of your screen. So click on send money right there. Now next up, you need to choose to who you want to send money. So right there it will say send money. You can then type in their name or their email address. I always prefer using the email address because you actually send like the money to a PayPal email. So all you need to do is click right here and then enter that person's PayPal email. So if you're paying someone, ask them for their PayPal email and then type in that email right there. Okay, so type in the email, and then I'm just gonna do this at random, and then all you need to do is select the email right there. It will show up, and then right there you can actually choose how much money you want to send. If you want to send a different currency, you click right there and you then select the currency that you want to send. Let's say US dollars right there. You then select the amount. We'll just go with, let's see, 5 USD or 50, doesn't matter. You can then also add a note, so you can tell them what the payment is for, and then click on continue, and you can then pay someone on PayPal. So if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.